Previously on Trio. Last time on Trio, with Bruce, Brenda, John, and Corey, we explored some of the dozens of reefs and keys inside the barrier reef of Belize, as well as taking Saltaire 3 up the beautiful Sittee River. This time on Trio, we spend our last days with our new friends goofing off and doing a little more Belizean exploring. And then sadly, we share some of the challenges of plastic pollution affecting the Caribbean. The beautiful Sittee River is located about 2/3 of the way down the country, south from the Mexican border. The closest town here is Hopkins Landing. The Sittee River is full of mangrove estuaries waiting to be explored. And apparently, it used to be full of crocodiles too. We took the dinghy and a happy hour drink to do some exploring.
Jaguar's gonna get ready.
There's a croc.
Whoa!
Big
one. It looked for a second like that.
I know. How'd you going?
If it is, I'm switching sides.
The bamboo croc.
What's it called?
Knobworm.
Knobworm.
Worm Street.
N-A-B-O-O-M.
That's a little bit like that one we didn't go down on.
Yeah.
It's almost big this time.
That's very cool. This is unbelievable. This is so cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Maybe we should.
The next day, after clearing the shallow entrance of the river, we were back in salty seas and headed for Long Coco Key. But first, another stop to do some snorkeling in the clear waters inside the Belizean barrier reef.
What a stellar day for sailing.
so many times, because we own Saltair 3, we're privileged to be able to go where other boats, including charter boats, are not allowed, or maybe it's just too shallow for them. Of course, at times it can be a little risky or challenging for us too, but we always end up being privileged to have any one of these gorgeous islets or keys all to ourselves.
Has talked Mr. Bruce into showing his skills on a wakeboard. I'm videoing, hit it!
America's most embarrassing moment.
Nice! Oh! Come on! Yeah! That was awesome. Yeah. Well, you did start talking to me while I was counting. Remember?
He was happier when he was wakeboarding or happier?
Yeah, right.
Don't run into a
Two.
Woohoo! You!
Trio.
3, go! Boom! Oh, that's a pretty big splash.
Surprise. Woohoo!
One,
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. Okay. You don't have to say anything. Just a picture only.
Wow. So many bottle caps.
Mucho basura.
Sí.
Mucho basura.
Problema.
Es problema.
Todo Caribe.
Sí, todo el Caribe. Mucho basura.
Look at the garbage, you guys. This is just.
Bottle caps and plastic water bottles or soda bottles or...
No caminar por ahí porque.
Okay.
Don't walk in there. No caminar. And they've been burning it and burning it up and down. There's spots all the way along where they've been burning it, and it just keeps coming. It's such a problem in the Caribbean. This coconut is trying to grow amongst all of this styrofoam. You can see the roots coming out. There's one root already down there. I can't pull it up because the root's attached. Growing in amongst a sea of garbage. Soda bottles, shoes, talcum powder, more shoes, styrofoam. What are we leaving for our children? Another burn pile where they've had to burn it to get rid of it. Another burn pile where they've had to burn it to get rid of it. This is an island with 2 men living on it. They have some cabanas here. It's owned by a family in Belize. And they were going to build a resort here. Last year they had only 4 tourists here. So nobody's coming here as far as polluters. There's nothing that, they're not collecting this garbage and putting it on the shores. This is washing up in our oceans on so many beaches that we've seen. Oh my God, this is just terrible. All of this, another burn pile, massive burn piles, but it doesn't even make a difference. They're not bringing mainland garbage and dumping it on this island. This is a privately owned island. Oh. That's spooky. Oh, this is horrendous. The 2 men that live here are generous enough to give us a tour of their island, and that's what we're doing. But look at this, is just unbelievable. I mean, it could be such a beautiful spot, but it'll never be beautiful. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Krista saw something on Facebook the other day. We posted something that said reduce, reuse, recycle. The other person said refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle. Well, I'm not even seeing any plastic bags here. They've all been burnt, I guess. Wow. Wow. All right. Back to our little tour. We're going out to the point. GoPro stopper. I can't even stop. Look at it all. It just keeps coming. What do you think, Krista?
No es bueno. No es bueno, es dañino para la salud. Sí. Sí, es mal para la tierra.
Yeah.
Y para la salud también.
You know, if we're not careful, whoever fits that shoe will never see one of these in the lot in the real world. If we keep going like this.
You're so right. Okay. Oh my goodness, people, we have a plastic problem. Careful what you step on.